Good morning to my dear students of class 5th. Welcome to science class. Today I am here with my new video, that is part 3 of chapter number 15, titled Blow Hot, Blow Cold of your EVS book. In my part 1 and part 2 video, I did the reading and explanation of the chapter, and also I told you about hot and cold air and some of the musical instruments that depend on air, and also through small video I explained you about inhaling and exhaling and also the process of respiration. I also explained the exercises, that is, match the following and fill in the blanks. So let's begin the new topics. So question arises, is warm air heavier or lighter than cold air? Let me explain you which air is heavier. So my dear children, cold air is always heavier than warm air. What is the reason behind it? When air gets heated up, it expands. Expands means takes more space and becomes less dense. Less dense means not packed tightly. So cold air is denser than warm air, as less dense air floats in the much denser air. So this is the reason behind why cold air is heavier than the warm air. So my dear children, have you blown air onto the spectacles? What happens? Have you observed it? Yeah, the glass of the spectacles becomes hazy. Why it becomes hazy? Because the moist from the air blown gets converted into droplets of water on the glass, and it is helpful for cleaning the spectacles. Same thing happens when you blow air on the mirror. It also becomes hazy. Now I am going to explain you the exercises of chapter number 15, Blow Hot, Blow Cold. So let's begin. Before you start your work, my dear children, write the date. What is the date? 9th November 2020. Name of the chapter is Blow Hot, Blow Cold. What is the number of the chapter? That is 15. All these things you have to write before starting your work. Question number 4. Write true or false. Number 1. Hot air is light and rises. Yes, it's true. The warm air is light and it rises. Number 2. Our breath is cooler than hot tea. Yes, it's true. Our breath is comparatively cooler than hot tea. Number 3. Our heart beats slowly after we run, skip or exercise. It's false. When we run, skip or exercise, our heart beats faster. Number 4. Cool air is light and comes down. It's false. Cool air is heavier and it comes down. So this statement is false, as hot air is light and rises. So this statement is false. Number 5. We blow on hot things to cool them and on cold things to warm them up. Yeah, it's true. We blow on hot things to make them cool and on cold things to make them warm. Number 6. Woodcutter was blowing his hands to freeze them. This statement is false. As you know the story, woodcutter was blowing his hands as the weather was cool to make them warm. So this statement is false. Number 7. Seeing the tiny person, the woodcutter was amazed and amused. Yeah, it's true. When the woodcutter saw the tiny person, he was surprised. So it's true. Number 8. We breathe in water. So it's false. You know, my dear children, we breathe in air. So this statement is false. Question number 5. Mark tick for the actions in which blowing of air is used. My dear children, you can see so many actions are given. So in front of that action where blowing of air is used, you will put tick and in others action you will put cross sign. So sneezing, no, we are not using blowing of air, so it's cross. Eating food, cross. Whistling, yes, it's true, we are using blowing of air, so this action will put tick in front. Playing the flute, yes, tick. Skipping, yes, we are using blowing of air, no, we are not using, so cross. A woman fans her chula, yes, we are using for this action blowing of air, so tick. Cooling tea, yes, to cool the tea we are blowing the air, so it's tick. Tick means yes. Cross means wrong. While talking, no, we are not using blowing of air, so it's cross. While drinking water, no, we are not using for this action blowing of air, so it's cross. So do the work very neatly, true and false, and this question number 5. I hope, my dear students, all have understood today's topic. Please watch part 1, part 2 and part 3 video very attentively to understand the concept of the chapter. And also complete the assignments of chapter number 15, that is match the following, fill in the blanks, true or false, mark tick for the actions in which blowing of air is used, and 2 diagrams, that is draw 2 musical instruments and respiratory system. Do all the work very properly and neatly in your science notebooks and learn it also. Now we'll meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye. God bless you all. Thank you.